Hello to everyone. Now listen very carefully because I'm going to show you what happened today on April 22nd at 3:03 in the UTC Standard Time near coast of Ecuador when happened the earthquake from 6.1 Richter scale. So first let me tell you that there is one video on the YouTube where people claim that before that earthquake it was visible the red light in the sky, in the night sky, in the sky, because this is during the night time. And I'm going to show you this now. This happened on the local time at 11 o'clock in the 11 o'clock p.m. somewhere, 11 o'clock p.m. Now, before I continue, I must show you something. Important comets that you must know. These are Catalina C 2013 V4, its possible Nibiru, or the following object comet next to the Nibiru, very next to the Nibiru. Remember this. Then Catalina C 2013 US 10. These two comets are in pair, probably from the both sides of the Nibiru, or this is the Nibiru and this is the follower. Now, Catalina Panstar P 2013 R3b, comet that comes closest to the Earth in last 150 years. And last, Linear P 252, comet that come close to the Earth in last 150 years. These two comets are coming in the pair. Now, if you watch very carefully the first sign of the comet, they're all three, probably this one too, enter in our solar system, or they are discovered in 2013. This is very important. You see that? So all these three are from the group of the comet called Catalina. Now I'm going to show you something amazing. Now let me show you the this is 180 kilometers southwest of Esmeraldas, Ecuador. This is the place of the earthquake epicenter. Now this is the moon. This is the orbit of Catalina V4 here. Do you see that? And here is the Catalina 2013 US 10. This is the orbit of Catalina. Now this is when you are viewing from the ground in the sky. Now I'm going to show you this in some other way. Like this. This is the moment of the earthquake in Ecuador. This is the epicenter here. Please let me show you what, do you see that blue line here? I don't know, on my screen is blue, I don't know what it's going to be on the YouTube. This line here is the orbit of Catalina US 10. I already warned about this part of the world when these two comets are passing yesterday in my video called Mega Earthquake. And here comes the truth. Here comes what comes up from this, my warning. This is not Mega Earthquake, but it's a very big sign of what's going to happen. So let me show you now exactly what's happening here. This here is the epicenter. Just a moment. Going back. This is the moment of the earthquake. So this come at 11:03, which means that this is the moment of the earthquake on the ground. Now let me show you. 11:03. Look at how this is going away from the Equator. I will show you where this is going to finish. Going to squeeze a bit. This is the epicenter. This is the orbit of Comet US-10, Catalina US-10. And now, this is the moment when the comet discharge has hit the Earth. 1, 2, 3, boom. Okay, now I will squeeze and I will show you the Comet Catalina US-10. This is its orbit. Here under, I mean, next to the Comet Catalina, it's Comet Catalina C2003 V4. Now, do you see how these comets are crossing each other here in this place? You see that here? And this here is the epicenter. Now, I don't have very much possibility to show you the moon on the same, but I will show you the moon here. So you will see where the moon was in that time. So this is my Twitter profile. Please feel free to subscribe on my Twitter profile, because I'm showing here something from time to time what I'm not showing on the YouTube. So you will see the data that I am collecting, what I'm collecting, and what's going on with the information that I am collecting. Now let me show you this day and night world. We are going to the time of the earthquake, which was at this is UTC time. So we will go here at 3 a.m. and 3, or let's say 4 minutes or 2 minutes. Let's say 2 minutes, because we can go to the 3. Only a pair numbers are acceptable. Now watch this very carefully. Look at where is the moon, and here is the Equador. Okay, this is the Equador here. Look at where is the moon, and here are the comets Catalina US-10 and Catalina V4. Look at, in alignment with the moon. Okay, in alignment with the moon. So these two comets caused this earthquake, and this, my dear friends, let this be a great warning for you that my predictions for the mega earthquake are probably very, very accurate. Not in the 100%, because I cannot count all the towns and states where this is going. So you see that now. Let me show you this. I will squeeze this. You see the Canary Islands here? This is what I also said. And this part here, now this coming for Puerto Rico here, coming down next to the East Coast, affecting West Coast, probably something even inside of the United States, Canada, Alaska, and then come here. They made one U-turn here on Puerto Rico. Here is the U-turn, and now these comets went to the Middle East. Here, you see, in Turkey, Greece borderline, over Jerusalem, and then over Iran-Iraq border. Watch where is the orbit, and then Turkmenistan, Pakistan, Western Afghanistan, Hindu Kush region, Afghanistan, and also the China, Nepal here. This is all affected here, and this is the way of this comet. Only on these two. I am not dealing with these two other comets, but I have to warn you that Comet Catalina now, it's let me show you how distant it's Comet Catalina from the Earth. Distance from the observer 3.1 or 320 astronomical units. Okay, so you see, I'm telling you this all the time. These two comets cause all these terrible earthquakes. People, you are in very, very big danger in the United States, in Canada, in all this, what I've counted in my mega earthquake video. This is my previous video before this one. And please, Be free to watch other videos. Also, my country on the area of ex-Yugoslavia, where is Croatia, it's also in a very big danger because I'm going to show you now something. Here is the Croatia. I will show you that. I will speed up this, and I want you to take me very serious because I'm going to speed up this now in 300 or 3000%, and I will stop when these comets are coming here. Here they are. You have to squeeze a bit this and show you where these comets are. Just a moment. Watch this very carefully. I will stop. Here it is. Do you see this comet? Look at the alignment of these planets. This caused an earthquake. Now watch. Watch where these comets are going. Now I will blow up again this, and I will show you. Look at Jerusalem. You see that here? This is the place where this comet will make a mess. And here is my country and this part of Middle Europe. Here it is. This is capital of Croatia. This is capital of Serbia. Capital of Romania here. Now watch this situation. I will squeeze a bit, and now watch again. You see? Now they are going, I'm going back now. Hop. Now wait, I will blow up this now, and I will show you where this comet is right now. Look at that. The whole Italy is affected. The whole Italy. And now we're going to put this in a 300, let's say. Watch this. Whole Italy is going on the Italy. And all this here is affected with this, look at that now. Whole ex-Yugoslavia is affected with the orbit of the US-10. Look at that here. Look at Zagreb now, look at the Zagreb. It's bang, right here, look at that here. This is our capital. Look at this here. So we can expect one very strong earthquake in Zagreb. I know that they are expecting, they know everything here. I will show you just a moment. I'm sorry. Go back. Now, I go 30 and now watch this. Boom. Watch this. Exactly through Zagreb. This is the capital of, this is Rijeka. This is where I live. Look, this comet is passing through Rijeka. Look at that here. Look at that orbit. Here is the Rijeka. Do you see it? Pula, Rijeka, Zagreb. We are all in the orbit of the US-10. People, this is very dangerous. I'm very worried about it privately. I'm not sleeping very well. I'm not sleeping very well because I got this feeling that something is going to happen. It's too quiet in the evening when this is happening in something incredibly, unusually quiet. It's so, I don't know how can I say this. And I have dreams, I have terrible dreams about terrible earthquake in my town. And I have prepared everything, I have years everything prepared right next to my door, or house, apartment door. In the case that I need to rush out, I have all bags ready, but who knows if something will happen. Will I be so, how can I say, calm to take these bags with me and rush out in the street with a few primary things that I put in this bag, which I need to have in a case of the strong earthquake. People, this is very dangerous situation. I am not kidding. I'm not making an elephant from one end. This is here and this is present. This is just a matter of the day, of the week, of the hour, of the month when something terrible will happen in some urban areas, not somewhere else. In urban areas, this is what I'm going. This is what it's going to take a lot of victims. They are expecting this because they are know, but they don't want to tell to the people that Catalina, U.S. 10, it's responsible for all this earthquake in this area. Not only here in Canada. Look at it here. Now I'm going to show you this. Look at it here. Look at Azores. Look at this Azores. I will go forward now. Wait. Okay, speed up this for 300%. Watch this. Look at the Azores. I give a warning for Azore Islands. Why? Look at why. Look at this. Look at this here. Look at bang right through the Azores. Catalina goes right straight in. Now it's only all what you need here. All what you need here. It's a moon on this side or moon on this side. On the certain phases of the moon, and you're going to have, you know, if anything happens to Azores here or Canary Islands, which are very shaky ground, you may have a tsunami which will hit American eastern coast, and you will have millions of people dead, millions of victims. Now let me show you where this is going. Watch this. Watch this very carefully, because here is you see that here? Watch the orbit. Watch the west coast of the United States. Watch the New York here. Watch the New York. I will stop. Watch the New York. Bang! This here now, this situation is the same situation what we got here in Ecuador. This is the Ecuador now. This moment here is the same with the Ecuador now. Look at that here. People, they know this. They know this, what is going on here. I don't know how can I assure you that this is not any Tuni Baluni science or whatever it is. I studied this for years, for 16 hours a day. I am very interested in this subject. I passed through all the earthquakes from 6 above, and I must do that again because I have some new findings, and I have to pass all that once again. But in this time I will go slow because I'm not in hurry, because the most of this I understand. So this is what they are hiding. These two comets are not what they are saying that this is. They are probably, but they are showing you this, but something next to this comet is following, maybe here, you know, and here or here or here is Nibiru. People, or Planet X, you call it what you want. Somewhere here between these two comets, it's Nibiru. This is the position of the Nibiru. All these lights in Germany, lake in Düsseldorf, from all around the world, all earthquakes, all lights in the night, it's when this is present on this certain coordinates. There is no any mistake. Thank you very much for your attention, and please consider this is very, very serious. I will inform you soon as I found something. Until then, I can only follow what is going on and pray that not be much victims from these events. Thank you very much and stay tuned.